Russia trades at less than half of the PE multiple of the other BRICS, and whilst still being driven essentially by the same forces. Again, you can see a comparison with profit growth and valuation, despite the fact that you have modernization of the financial markets going on all the time, privatization and such. So, why is this discount? And we'll try to identify the four kind of main discounts, the main reasons for discounts, and some are more real than others. I think the macro-political volatility that we've seen, it has been there, particularly in 2008 and 2009, of course, but overall the progression or the progress in the Russian economy has been very strong. What most people focus on is the political risks, We feel that, again, those are quite overstated. We have quite a lot of experience dealing with the Russian government, and of course you can never say that they're doing a perfect job and they never make mistakes. They do make mistakes, and there are a lot of things that could have been done better or faster over the years. But again, if you look at what the environment is like now compared to what it was 10 or 15 years ago, it's unrecognizably better. If you look at real instances that you feel, did something bad actually happen? Well, I would say that we haven't seen nationalization. We haven't seen, when the world was nationalizing, even in the US in 2008, the Russian government didn't take over anything. When you've also seen radical privatization of the entire power utility sector. Now we're seeing real privatization of the railroad transport sector. We see a very broad-based privatization program. This is not the image of a government that's trying to take more control over the economy, rather than the opposite. There are some real problems with the market, and I think this conference is partly addressing these issues. The market is not efficient enough. You have these two exchanges, you have rather odd settlement systems. They do work. We've settled tens of thousands of trades over all these years, and it does work, but it's not the same as everywhere else. And when an institutional investor sends in a paper asking, does this work, they get a qualified opinion back from their auditor or lawyers. And that's unfortunate, and I think this is something that necessarily has to be fixed, and I think it is being fixed.